But you buy an HTC Vive and you want to bring it home on the bike. This is how you do it. Fucking hell, choose the lane, mate. People follow people on their phone and just be like, oh man, what the fuck, man. I'm over that. I watch too much Moto Madness for for me to do that. I think that's just doing it worse, I guess. Oh, MT-09. Fine. I was paying attention. Haha! Is that the same guy that I met over there? Ooh, whoops. Sorry, bro. Sorry. Whoopsie daisy. My fault. Totally my fault.